Oh.
I hurt myself.
How? You didn't even... Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This was actually requested, so for those of you who've seen our other SSAK3 reaction, thank you to everyone in the comments who was nice enough to educate us because we were being stupid in that video and saying we didn't know what this was for. Now we know it's from like an ongoing TV show that SSAK3 moderates. It's called Hang Out With Yo, and it's like a project between them, I guess. People did tell us that you can watch the whole process of them making this in like the reality TV show episodes. We didn't do that, but yeah. But also they told us that apparently another song will be released, and also each of them supposedly are gonna do a solo. So maybe we'll be watching those as well. But for now, it's gonna just be the official MV of the song we already reacted to last time. So we already know the song. It's called Beach Again, apparently, the official English translation. But this is just the video that we didn't see last time.
Yes.
So,
and it has English subtitles, so...
Oh, does it?
Yeah, English sub, it says.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, I mean, we already read the lyrics last time, though, but...
It's always good to have English subtitles.
That is fair. Okay, let's go. We did say, like, I mean, I guess the song is, like, called Beach Again, but we did say this has very beach episode vibes and dramas.
My man.
I'm still not over the song.
I want, like, a SSAK3 tee.
True.
Like, t-shirt. Yes.
She looks really good.
I love
this outfit. Yes. Damn.
Ooh, how did... Ooh, the background is... Wow, okay.
Oh, look at Rain. I feel like the outfits are also 90s inspired. Probably.
But it doesn't seem like very 90s to me, but more like 2000s-ish.
Yeah, but it did say there are 90s concept groups, so...
fair, yeah.
I mean, just Rain's outfit, yeah.
Rain is always 90s inspired.
Yeah, definitely. How is he 38?
Vocalist of our generation.
It is a bop, like... Oh yeah, it did say 1998, okay. The close-ups, man.
I felt that.
All the particles.
Yes, kick his ass.
Ooh,
Rain style.
there he's again, shirtless. Ooh. Yeah, like the skater vibes. I love these outfits.
Me too.
I mean, they look like they had a lot of fun filming this.
True. They probably had, yeah.
I'm interested to see you, SSAK, solo, to be honest.
Yeah, me too.
I love these outfits. They look so cute. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yes, sing it.
This is so pretty, that beach set. There's what we saw.
I want to go to the beach.
Same, and I hate the beach. Oh, okay, there's the title. I like the filter they put over this. It seems very happy. Go off with the high note, Rain. Ooh, there he is.
Yes.
Woo!
Yes.
Woo! Oh. Yeah, SSAK3.
Ooh, I love it. Yes, jump through the water.
That's cute.
That's really cute.
That's really cute. Oh, oops, I already ended the recording, but okay, it just said SSAK3 probably. That's really cute. Okay. I mean, we already knew the song, so that wasn't a surprise or anything, but it's very fitting. Like, the vibes.
Yes, exactly. Like, very 90s inspired, as you said. Like, the outfits, the setting, even, like, the camera work, I feel.
Yeah.
Kind of, with all the, like, what was it? Like, fisheye lenses and stuff.
Everything is just... They pulled this off very well. I liked it.
I actually like this, like, collaboration, this project. Because...
I like the song. Like, unexpectedly,
me too.
I didn't know if I was gonna, but I actually kind of bopped to it now.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited to see what else they're gonna do.
We're definitely gonna be reacting to like solos or anything if they bring any out because I'm very interested to see. Like especially you, Jason, because I know like I've seen him in what did we say last time? EXO, like Dancing King.
Yeah.
I've seen him collaborate before, but I haven't seen him do like
like
a music project by himself.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be very interesting.
I mean, my man can sing, so
he can rap too. Apparently,
yeah. He better.
And also Rain. We haven't had like a Rain solo in a while.
Yeah, I feel. Yeah, you're right. There hasn't been a Rain solo in a while.
So that would be very exciting. Okay, well, thanks again to anybody who educated us in the last video, and I hope this satisfies your needs for our reaction to the official MV.
Yes.
So yeah, keep your eyes out in case they bring out anything else. We'll be reacting to
and
it.
if you want us to actually react to the like episodes of them like filming and having fun and stuff, just tell us. We'll gladly watch it because we haven't yet. And yeah,
True.
Then we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.